Hi, my name is Anya, and I want to try something different on my channel. I enjoy reading about true crime and it really fascinates me. So every Tuesday, I'll be telling a crime story while baking. The first crime story I'll be telling you about is a serial killer here in South Africa called the ABC Killer. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any other crime stories you want me to tell, please leave in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about the ABC Killer while baking some chocolate chip cookies. Disclaimer, I am telling the case as I perceived it. I mean no disrespect to the victims or the victim's family. Let me know in the comments if I missed something about the case. Moses Sithole is one of South Africa's deadliest serial killers. He is often referred to as the ABC Killer. He obtained this name as he committed rapes and murders starting from Atteridgeville, which continued to Boksburg, which ended in Cleveland between the 16th of July 1994 and the 6th of November 1995. To start, I'm going to give a brief background story. He was born in 1964. He is one of 5 children. His father passed away when he was still young, and unfortunately his mother could not afford to provide for her children. So she left them at a local police station. They were then placed in an orphanage. Later on in his life, he said that he was heavily mistreated, especially in the orphanage. He moved around a lot until he started working in the Joburg gold mines. This is when we see his crimes unravel. His first reported rape was in September of 1987. She later testified against him, but he was sentenced to prison by a woman who he raped in February of 1988. He was only sentenced for 6 years. Yet he got out early due to good behavior. After he was released from prison, he started raping again. This time he took it a step further. He started to kill his rape victims. He targeted black women between the ages of 18 and 45. The way that he would get his victims is sick. He would promise them employment, he would then rape them and strangle them with their underwear. After killing the victim, he would phone the victim's family for no other reason but to taunt them. He instilled so much fear into people, at one stage he even called the Star newspaper, bragging about how he was the one that everyone was looking for. At one point, President Nelson Mandela even appealed for public assistance in apprehending the killer. There was intense media coverage, and the local authorities even got external help from a retired FBI profiler. After many months, he was eventually arrested. In apprehending the suspect, police shot at Moses. They shot him in the leg and in the stomach. He was taken to the hospital to be treated for his wounds. He was also found to be HIV positive. He was charged with 38 murders and 40 rapes, which added up to 2,410 years of imprisonment. Yet throughout the trial, he was calm and collected. Later he explained his crimes by saying that the woman he murdered all reminded him of the woman who falsely accused him of rape years before. To this day, he is still alive, he is 55 years old, and he is serving out the rest of his sentence in Mangau Correctional Center in Bloemfontein. A heartbreaking part of this case is that some of his victims have never been identified. Come back next Tuesday for another crime story.